Hi guys, welcome back to the channel after the weekend. Okay, last week we have started with benign epithelial tumors and we have finished two topics, and that's all about benign epithelial tumor. Okay, I'm only discussing the main thing. Okay, today I'll be starting one more term which we have left while during the terminology, the cancer. What is actually the cancer? What are the stem cells? How it works? Okay, we'll be dealing this so that we can get brief idea कि हो क्या रहा है. Okay, let's start today's topic. Okay, what is cancer? Cancer is the end product of an unregulated proliferation of cells. जिस सेल का प्रोलिफरेशन रेगुलेटेड नहीं है उसके रिजल्ट में जो सेल बनता है उसको कैंसर बोलते हैं. Resulting from the accumulation of sequential genetic alteration, that is mutation in a precursor cell. Precursor cell में mutations होते रहते हैं and there is unregulated proliferation. The resultant cancer is a population of cells that continue to mutate and that secrete self-perpetuating growth factor and angiogenic factor. और अब जो ये कैंसर सेल हो गए, it continue to mutate, ये और mutate होते जाएंगे and they secrete growth factor and angiogenic factor. Most tissue of the human body undergo a process of cellular renewal in which the loss of mature cell is followed by the proliferation of less mature precursor cells. The daughter cells of these precursor cells go on to differentiate into the mature native tissue and are themselves incapable of cancer transformation. So ये normally बता रहा है कि human cells में actually होता क्या है. Precursor cells होते हैं, फिर उसके daughter cells आते हैं and they differentiate into the normal cell. और क्या होता है, जो remaining undifferentiated stem cells होते हैं and precursor cells in each tissue composite are vulnerable to a host of carcinogenic injuries to their gene or mistake in their own DNA replication and are the source of most cancer. तो जो differentiate हो गए वो तो ठीक है, उनमें capability नहीं होती cancer cell transformation में, लेकिन जो undifferentiated stem cells या precursor cells बचे they differentiate into cancer cells. ओके, शॉर्ट में यही समझा सकते हैं कि डिफ्रेंशिएट जो हो गया अपने नॉर्मल टिश्यू में, दैट्स ओके. इफ दे रिमेन अनडिफ्रेंशिएटेड देन दे अंडरगो द प्रोसेस ऑफ डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन एंड कार्सिनोजेनिक जीन्स एक्ट करते हैं उन पे एंड दे बिकम कैंसर सेल्स. Now, evidence shows that cancer arises from the transformation of a single precursor cell into a clone consisting of many daughter cells with the accumulation of altered genes called oncogenes. That was I was speaking about. तो जो वो होता है कि एक सिंगल प्रीकर्सर सेल वो क्लोन बनाते हैं अपना, जिनमें बहुत सारे डॉटर सेल्स होते हैं, लेकिन उनके अंदर ऑल्टर जीन्स होता है जिसको ऑन्कोजीन्स बोलते हैं. ऑन्कोजीन्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कार्सिनोजेनिक प्रॉपर्टीज. Now, each individual cell modify its behavior and properties, that is हर cells में mutate करते हैं with each cell division. So, cancer cells, even those within an early cancer, are a very heterogeneous population. मतलब उनमें कोई भी एक जैसे सेल नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि each cell mutate अपने हिसाब से वो हर cell division में mutate करते हैं, तो they are heterogeneous in nature. The most resistant and fastest proliferating cell will become the dominant type of tumor. जो जितना जल्दी proliferate करेंगे और जितना resistant रहेंगे, they will the dominant type of tumor. In particular, persistent tumors and tumors refractory to the treatment are often seen to be histologically more anaplastic and clinically more aggressive. जो ट्यूमर persistent है और ट्रीटमेंट के रिफ्रैक्ट्री है तो वो हिस्टोलॉजिकली मोर एनाप्लास्टिक होंगे और क्लिनिकली मोर अग्रेसिव होंगे. It is important to realize that the potential of a malignant tumor to metastasize is a property specific to each tumor related to the location and the degree of its genetic alteration. तो ये हमको पता है कि malignant tumor में ही metastasis होता है, और जो ये metastasis होता है it is a property specific to each tumor. हर tumor का अपना होता है which is related to its location and the degree of genetic alteration. It is independent of the histological grade ग्रेड और माइटोटिक रेट ऑफ अ ट्यूमर, और उसमें हिस्टोलॉजिकल ग्रेड और माइटोटिक ग्रेड रेट मैटर नहीं करता. Okay, that's all for today. We'll be studying cancer stem cells in the next class. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.